Okay, so this week I'm just giving a demonstration of how to live stream Rokoko data into here. It's not a full tutorial, this is just more of a demo. Okay, so we go into Rokoko, we go here, we drag our suit up to our character, we go ahead and we T-pose it. So as you can see, the Rokoko, it's working well. Then we go down to here, which you can't see it because it's blocked. There's a live stream button. So, live stream here. We enable Blender, which is right here. And then we go to Blender, and if you haven't already installed the add-on, which you can download from the Rokoko website, it is right here. Rokoko, and that's what it's called. Animation Live Stream for Blender. I've already installed. And then you go to the Rokoko add-on tab, and then you go start. You don't go start receiver. You go here, I think. Go to your character, and I drag this up, and underneath this one, object properties, there's a Rokoko tab. And on the skeleton of your character, you hit auto detect, you set the T-pose, and then you select your actor as well. So you have to go start recording, and our actor is here, which is me, and I'm right there. So let's go ahead and scroll in and hit shift to reposition, and there we have we. And as you can see, it's nice and macho. Could make a boxing show. Or, you know, at the place, work out. That muscle weights, anyway, whatever it is. So this is just a demo of live streaming on a MB Lab character. You also have to give this a Mixamo skeleton, which I show in a different video how to do that. For your MB Lab character, you pretty much just upload your mesh as a FBX with no armature, and you don't have the modifiers checked in export settings. Export settings, I'll just show it real quick, might as well be thorough. So it's going to be an FBX. You have to do selected objects, so you want just his mesh selected over here. And you want to turn off the armature, selected objects. You don't want to select the lights or the camera in the scene. Turn off applied armature. You don't want leaf bones. Leaf bones are like control systems. Deformer bones would be okay, but not well, you're not exporting the armature, so it doesn't matter. And then you export and you upload that to Mixamo. You have to have a T-pose for him. So when you're creating your MB Lab character, it's important to, before you finalize the character, save the T-pose out. Anyway, so that's it for this video. Uploading a bunch of small videos that I took throughout the last week, just because it's just a lot of information to throw into one video.